All right, and we're rolling.
We're rolling.
We're rolling. Want to introduce yourself?
Huh?
You want to introduce yourself?
Yeah. I'm Sebastian. What's up?
You're terrible on camera.
You got a little bit of paint on your camera. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, nuts.
Don't worry about it.
You get the shit out of me. Yeah.
That it?
Yep, you're good.
All right, man. Yeah, I didn't grab it, just shook. Now my thing's
Just call me Birdman from now on.
Birdman?
Birdman. My nickname.
Why'd you call yourself a bird?
Birdman.
Huh?
I don't know.
You like being called a bird?
I just fly through the field.
You know in Britain that birds are women.
No.
Yeah, like birds, like we call them chicks, they call them birds. Just saying. Hey guys, nobody stay back here. You're no use back here. You have to move at least one bunker. All right, work together.
Right, we're gonna work together here.
Great.
Are you from a different country?
Huh?
Are you from a different country?
I can't hear you.
Are you from a different country?
Nah. Well, I was born in a different country. Yeah. Italian. What? I'm going all the way to the end.
You going up top? You're up.
No, you want to take top? I'm going down the fence. Mike?
I was gonna go all the way down to the bottom.
No, come with me. Come with me.
Okay.
I'm a little faster, so give me a break.
What is that? I'll race you.
What's that?
I'll race you.
All right. I will be shooting at the same time, so it'll slow me down.
We're gonna start.
Mike, straight ahead. Back up. He's over here. All right. My hit, ref. My hit. All right. Hope he doesn't shoot me. Good shot. I can't put this. It's nasty. I'll leave it right here. How about that? Hey, I'm camera guy, so I'm watching. I didn't even see it. The game is still on, Mike. I want to tell you, but I want you to play. He's out. Nope, he's in. He's in.
really good.
I ain't getting hurt, but
He's out. Good shot, Michael. Good shot.
oh, look at these two. Standoff. I thought he was out of there.
Hey, Dave, right here's a crossfire.
This guy's gonna get this guy eventually. Or vice versa. That looked like he wouldn't be any good, but he looks like he's good. He's our last person yet.
Are you against him?
Yeah. Come on, man, take out this guy at the nose.
Quiet, quiet. Let him play.
He's out. He's out.
Oh, man.
Players out. Players out.
That's game.
Game over. Oh, dude, you got both you guys.
Hey, outstanding shot, man. One round right in my face. Good job. Feels good, man. Finally get knocked out.